Everybody, we are back. It is Pet Talk Tuesday, and boy, do we have a beauty for you. Dustin Yerman is back. He's our faithful volunteer from the Buffalo Animal Shelter, and he's back with this beautiful little girl named Queenie.
This is Queenie.
Queenie has got blue eyes. I don't know if you can tell from where you're sitting out there. She is beautiful, and she is very young, right?
Queenie is 6 months old. She was recently surrendered to the shelter due to a landlord issue with the owner. I mean, that's the thing. You got when you're getting an animal, you have to think about this is a 13 to 15-year commitment in a lot of these cases. So where you are now and where you're going to be. So unfortunately, it did not work out for them. But someone is going to be very lucky to get this girl. She is just absolutely gorgeous. I think she's some sort of pit bull Boston Terrier mix.
Look at those ears.
She's
almost
very,
like a little baby Yoda.
Yeah, she's very petite, as you can see. She's probably only about 20, 25 pounds. So we think she's probably 30 pounds, 35 pounds, full grown maybe. She's very sweet. For a 6-month-old, she's really not too wild and crazy. She's very dog friendly, no issues with food or handling or anything like that. And she just really wants to be loved. Let's see if we can see her. And she's just so cute.
She's adorable. And we want you to know, too, we want to thank you out there because our wonderful dog, Dharma, from last week got adopted. So someone out there was watching and went and adopted Dharma, and we are so grateful. And we just know that Queenie is going to win somebody's heart out there, too.
I know. She's just too cute not to.
She is. And now you've got a lot of dogs and cats over at the Buffalo Animal Shelter.
We do, all shapes and sizes, including some small dogs that just went up for adoption. They usually go pretty quickly. So you never, like I said, I always tell people, come down to the shelter. You'll never know what you're going to find there.
That's right. You never know. So little Queenie is waiting for you, as well as some other four-legged friends. And let me ask you, Dustin, because you're a dog owner from way back. Have you had your dog's teeth brushed?
I have larger dogs and I have not. So I've been lucky that I do use greenies and other chews.
That helps.
So they do help. But with smaller dogs, they definitely. One of my friends at work who adopted a Chihuahua mix from us was asking questions about that. Who was only 2 or 3, but she was wondering if she should brush the dog's teeth. And I said, you should talk to the vet about it. But I said, I just do the greenies and some chew toys and stuff like that.
But the smaller the dog, it seems like the more teeth issues they have.
100%.
And it would be harder to get in there.
And, well, not necessarily.
Well, for you and me. Maybe
depends on the dog, obviously. Some dogs are more
I don't know any dog that goes like this. Go for it,
But with dental issues, it can really affect especially a smaller dog. There's some pain involved, and it can actually shorten their lives if they don't have the proper dental care.
And you may not even know if they're having a dental problem. You just may notice a difference in their
correct. Dogs don't show pain
the way they eat.
Yes, and dogs don't show pain the way humans do.
Yeah, she's adorable. This is Queenie. You can see how quiet she is. She's just a bundle of love.
Yeah.
Maybe for Valentine's Day, you would be someone's perfect companion.
I think
and she's got the most gorgeous blue eyes.
I know.
So she
Instagram ready right there.
Yeah, she won't be lasting long over at the Buffalo Animal Shelter because we know somebody is going to fall in love with Queenie. But by all means, this could be, it's been kind of a mild winter. It's a great winter to go out and walk the dogs. It's been super.
We've been lucky, yeah.
We have been lucky. So we know Aaron says it's changing. But by all means, we want you to know what a great job the Buffalo Animal Shelter does in holding these animals and treating them well and putting some weight back on them and making sure they get care. So they will be up for adoption and ready to go. Does Queenie need any work before she's adopted?
She will be spayed when she's adopted, and that's all part of the adoption. When she's adopted, she'll go for surgery, and you'll pick her up right from the wonderful vets in McClellan's, which is right around the block.
Fabulous.
From the shelter, and she'll be microchipped, vaccinated, and all set to go.
You can go today. Thanks, Dustin.
You're welcome.
All right, coming up, we're going to find out what Buffalo Bill Frank Gore was busy with during the Super Bowl while he was down in Orlando, so stay with us.